Alright, what's up, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another just day in the life of Trigger and what we do, what's going on. So you guys already know by the title of this video, you guys can tell these are one of my favorite types of video. When a company sends me a product to do an honest review on, I'm not being paid for this, any of this stuff. This product was sent by Alloyworks, but we're going to do a comparison on their intercooler for the Subarus. So I have a STI. This is my car, if you guys are new to the channel. This is my 2008 Subaru STI hatchback. I bought this with a blown motor from just the previous owners that it's always had, just nobody took care of it really well. But anyways, we went ahead and built a new motor with VHS builds for it, new heads, new long block, everything, pretty much everything new. Obviously we used some of the old components like the manifold and stuff like that, new turbo, all this stuff. But we have this stock STI intercooler. Now for this car, I don't mind it just because I use this for daily. I didn't really build it for crazy spec, but we have this STI intercooler. Now on the WRXs, they don't come with the EJ 2.57. They come with a different motor which has a plastic black manifold, and the intercooler is not as long, but it's shorter and fatter. Now Alloyworks makes a pretty nice setup from my understanding. I'll see it with you guys right now. And they wanted me to do a review on their intercooler, so they sent it to me. Now we won't be able to do the installation on the car, but be able to show it to you guys. So this is the box, showed up in very nice foam packing. This stuff is pretty expensive, don't ask me why. I know because we use it for trigger spec for a lot of times. But this is our new intercooler that they went and sent us. So off the bat, it was wrapped in bubble wrap. I just wanted to make sure everything was good with it. So off the rip, just opening up the box and checking it out. The paint on this, immaculate. It's very nice. Doesn't feel cheap. It's not flaking or coming off. A lot of the welds look very nice. Now the core itself, the fins look nice. There's no damaging. It's a very good packing job. Same thing on the back side. Inside the inlets, obviously these are cast, so they're all gonna not be super perfect as of any intercooler you guys have seen, but this looks nice. And then this is now your blow off port right here where your blow off valve goes. So this is the stock Subaru style, but also a lot of the aftermarket ones like the Turbo Smart, Tile, Grim Speed, Para, and all those other guys, they fit like this. So obviously you guys can see, and this is the inlet side of it where it seals. So when this was sitting in the car, if I'm not wrong, it sits for those, I should look it up. So yeah, I was correct, it sits in the car pretty much like this. So this side connects to the hour pipe, and then this side I believe connects to the turbo. So this is turbo, this is the intercooler, not intercooler, throttle body, and this is your blow off valve right here. So this unit's pretty nice, like I said. I'm very happy with how it looks in the paint. So now to give you guys an idea what the stock one looks like. So as you guys can see right here in the video of my phone, this is what the stock intercooler looks like in the car. And this is the manifold, so that's the stock intercooler, stock blow off valve, as you guys can see right there. So from this plastic thing going to this massive thick intercooler right here, you're gonna get a lot of obviously benefits. No, some colder temps and stuff like that if you don't want to go front mount. It's a very good setup. I'm very happy with how Alloyworks really did it on this one, because it looks very nice and feels very nice. It doesn't feel like cheap or stuff like that. Performance wise, so I can't install this. So from just looking at it, you guys can see the difference between this and that. Those are two different intercoolers. Fortunately, I'm not going to be able to install it on the car, but just in general, the thickness of this is huge for an intercooler. From my understanding, Alloyworks said that when you install this, you don't necessarily need to get a tune. Now in Subaru world, people will fight and say, you do need a tune, you don't need a tune, this, that. I'm not 100% sure. I'm doing a review on the video. Some people might say you don't need one, some people might say you do. I highly recommend when you want to do anything like this, intercooler wise, anything like that, talk to your tuner or the person you're going to go with the tuner so they can better explain to you. And then if you do want to run this on a stock car and you decide you want an aftermarket blow off valve that does require a tune, If you run the stock one that loads back into the car, then no tune is fine with that. But yeah, just like this, you guys should ask. But the main purpose of the video was to show the quality of the product and how it looks, and I'm very impressed. It is very, very nice. They did a very, very good job on this one. But yeah, so just another comparison. Obviously, we don't have WRX STI. I mentioned this, but yeah, you guys can see this is like kind of thick, not so much. This guy is definitely super, super thick. So this is very nice. Let's actually measure how thick that is real fast. Got a toolbox. Alright, so let's see. I got measuring tape. So this is a 4-inch core, which is very fat. So very, very nice. I'm very impressed. Alloyworks, you guys did a good job. Now you can find this intercooler on their website, so I'll put the links down below. And then just throughout the website, if you guys want to shop anything, they gave me a discount code for you guys. It's just Trigger. I'll put it on the screen. You get 6% off pretty much almost covers your taxes, so that works great. But yeah, this is the intercooler. Just wanted to show it to you guys. Thank you Alloyworks for sending me one to show everybody. And yeah, you guys can look, the core inside is very nice. The welds are very nice. Unfortunately, we're not able to throw it on the STI because these utilize a different engine. But any WRX guys, this is definitely the best bang for your buck, in my opinion. It's very nice. I don't see any flaws about it really. The welds and everything look very nice, and there's not really the imperfections you typically see on a shitty one. But this was very, very good. I'm very impressed. I wish they had one for the STIs as well, maybe in the future, but for now this will do. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Again, if you want to buy this, website's in the description. Use the code Trigger. Peace. See you on the next video.